Welcome to the Deck 7 tour on the Norwegian Sky. Just a really short video. We're going to see, to start with, one of the nice accessibility features. They have switch operated doors on the public area restrooms for those with mobility challenges, which is very helpful. We're going to get a video tour of the casino, which is unusual. We're going to see Starbucks and we're going to see the Atrium Cafe. We had plenty of shopping on board. I'm not a huge duty-free shopping fan, but they had all of the typical stores. You could buy everything from sunglasses to diamonds. This is Starbucks, so for those of you that are Starbucks junkies, they do have a Starbucks on board, the newly remodeled Norwegian Sky. We're going to come up here in just a second into another little shopping area, and then we're going to walk through the casino. This is really early in the morning. You'll notice we haven't seen anybody around, and it's the same way in the casino. So since there was no one there, I went ahead and filmed going through it. Normally, if there are people present or if there's any of the employees present, they will try to make you stop. Casino seemed plenty big for the size of ship. In the times that I walked through it, I never saw it completely full, but it stayed busy and there were always people in there. It has the usual assortment of cruise ship slots and games of chance. One thing that I do use occasionally on board is the ATM in the casino. The nice thing about I bank with a credit union that reimburses me for the fees, so it doesn't cost me anything extra to use the casino ATM for cash. We're coming into the atrium now. This is, like I said, a very short tour on this deck. There's not a lot. In the atrium, as we go around, we're going to walk around the atrium, and you're going to see the Atrium Bar in just a minute. It's a gorgeous area. It looks all the way down to deck 5. The elevator shaft goes all the way up to deck 11. But it's not really, there's not much above here as far as public areas. It's all just cabins. Though you can come out into the cabin and look down the elevator shaft and see all the way to deck 5. Here's the Atrium Bar. They have typically had live music up here, either somebody on guitar, somebody playing the piano. The area, you can see over there to the right, is kind of small. But we had a really nice time on the Norwegian Sky. We look forward to sailing her again sometime. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.